Hello, India. I love you.
Yes, and
Thank
he's
you.
coming back again.
I am.
मैं आप सबसे
मैं आप सबसे
बहुत प्यार करता हूँ
is it करता हूँ ना करता हूँ? मैं आप सबसे बहुत प्यार
करता हूँ
कहता हूँ.
Yay! All the girls out there are just like, oh.
I feel so much love for India. It is an amazing country, amazing people, amazing culture. I have to say the whole experience for me has been etched in my memory. Every single moment, from the moment that I landed, go to the Taj Mahal, to spend the time behind the meal and all the people the night of the premiere. I remember every moment quite vividly. When you look at Mission Impossible: The Final Reckoning, I love traveling and I love working in different cultures. Like to go back and I'd actually like to make a film there. I love Bollywood films. You know, you're seeing, the skill that it takes to do what you all do that you naturally do. I love that you're in this drama or comedy and suddenly it breaks out in song.
Right.
I love it. It's something that I grew up and I love musicals, I love dramas. Your culture in that way is something that I would like to be able to. It's on my list of kinds of films to make.
And I would love to be a part of it.
Yeah, good. Yes, good.
Slightly recipe.
That'd be awesome. That would be amazing.
Get to try any snacks when you go to India, like Indian snacks.
Oh, I love Indian food.
Awesome.
Who doesn't? I love Indian food. It's delicious.
Yeah, I feel like going now and eating.
Yes, me too.
Yeah.